now we
Cool. So basically, this session has been uh, created and conducted by me on the topic SEO. I mean, SEO is nothing but search engine optimization, and being a part of a marketing student, you need to be aware about the fundamentals of SEO, the SEO workings, types of SEO, and why it is quite necessary right now. So SEO is all about traffic. अगर आपने कोई वेब पेज बनाया, कोई वेबसाइट बनाया, whether it is static or dynamic, what matters that how many of the aspirants, people, candidates are been coming around and watching out your website in accordance with the brand value, in accordance with the clearance that क्या आप बेच रहे हैं या फिर आप क्या services provide कर रहे हैं. For that, SEO plays a major role. In simple words, if you have created some kind of product or services but you are not getting that traffic, like people are not aware about your products, for that SEO can help you a lot. And how this thing is going to work in our scenario, I mean in future all the interns need to hands on the, like, have to do the hands on this particular part also. I mean, if you are a digital marketing intern or you are quite interested in the aspect of digital marketing, then this particular session is for you. And considering the part that what are the aspects we are going to cover in SEO, then we are going to cover two types of SEO right now: off-page SEO and on-page SEO. There are wide-head SEO as well as pirate SEO that can be covered, but in a whole session, we would be requiring around 2 to 3 hours to cover the fundamental of the SEO with practical. So we will see through it in 1 hour span how much we are going to cover. And starting with off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is nothing but uh, promotional method in which you are going to pitch about the websites, about the products, about the content on different third party websites or third party blogs or third party softwares. And how this is going to happen, this is going to happen with the help of keywords. If I have to explain you about keywords, then starting with keywords, there is a tool name, uh, Google Keyword, if I'm not, new keyword planner, which will help you out in this particular aspect. Keyword planner will provide you whole set of efficient keywords which you would be requiring in like in creating any kind of blogs. I mean, if you are using this kind of keywords in your blogs, then it would be a quite easy job for you to get engagement or traffic to your website. And if we talk about Indo Gulf Marketing Association, or if we talk about Multinational Business Academy, then we have to think about that what are the keywords would be totally suiting that particular aspect. For instance, Indogulf is all about conferences. Then the first word which you would be getting around would be conference. It happens on international scale. The second word would be international. Third would be training program, workshop. But let's see, before starting with major keyword, what if I associate this particular part as the whole organization name? Let's see if you find any sort of relation in this manner. So this keywords would play a major role if you are aware that हमें किसी भी blog में या किसी भी content में क्या use करना है. Okay. So for it, it's a single keyword, that is Indo Gulf Association Academy, which need to be which need to be used, because this is due to, as Indo Gulf Association has just renamed its organization name. That's why many keywords cannot be seen of this name. But let's start with Multinational Business Academy. So as you can see, the monthly search is just 10 to 100, which is quite low. and the keyword which has been letting me know. And if I have to broaden my search, I would be adding MBA programs, then cloud computing, AWS Academy. Okay, we will be doing one by one. AWS Academy. Um, I mean, you guys can also respond. I mean, whenever you see about or heard about multinational business academy, what would be the first or second keyword you would be pitching me around, apart from the things which has been mentioned on the screen, on screen? The major keyword which you can think about.
Online
Anyone?
courses.
Good job. Courses. Anyone else? Maybe
AWS.
AWS has been mentioned.
Online learning.
Online pool. Yeah. So I mean, these are the prominent things which we can think about whenever we heard about multinational. So let's say what are the relevant keywords which we are going to get now. So these are the keywords which we are getting right now. That is number one, multinational business academy, cloud computing, AWS academy. This the competition level. I mean, if it has been stating you low, if the competition level is low, then that keyword is not being used by many users in their blogs, in their plunks, in their listicles, in their Quora answers. So this helps us out that if we use this kind of keywords, then we can gain reaches around. Because if you can see, online and learning has the range from 100K to 1 million. In simple words, there are average searches, but the level of competition for these keywords are quite low. So these are the fundamental keywords which we can use. Other keywords which we can use is MBA courses, business school. Now we have to check which course or which keyword has low competition. First thing first, the business school, cloud it cloud, IT cloud to be precise, um, cloud computing, an MBA, AWS. Okay. After selecting the low competition keyword, we have to check around the average monthly search. If it is lying under 100 to 1K, then it's not that prominent. उतना आपको effective solutions नहीं मिलेगा. But yeah, if it is lying under 10,000 to 100K, then this can be referred. I mean, let's see what this keyword is, so that we can get a proper glance about it. Okay, so this keyword is cloud computing is. So fundamentally, if we speak about, then in this part, cloud computing is, we need to embed our multinational business academy, what we can say, website link in order to create some kind of backlink. Like I'm just doing right now on this particular word file, but how we are going to do this on SEO pages, we are going to understand that part. So this was the first thing which we need to take care about keywords. जितने prominent keyword we are going to like, all we are going to use, उतना आपका scalability, उतना आपका visibility, उतने traffics आपके redefine and expand होंगे. So let's get back to the next part, making use of keywords. So then the question arises that how you are going to initiate. So first thing first, we need to find a unique content. How you are going to find the unique content? For instance, right now we have multiple aspirants with us. That interns need to create. We would be providing this page, and over here it would be mentioning the interest group. Interest group can be cloud computing, machine learning, data analytics, and all sort of things. And we would be dividing this part into this chain, like the intern name. Suppose Ananya Rawat with profession like graphic designing, interest, and the website of Multinational Business Academy. Then she would be starting her keyword search. Like if he thinks about Multinational Business Academy, then what would the keyword she would be searching around? Over to you, Ananya. अगर कोई कोर्स लेना है in future and you have to think about Multinational Business Academy, but you are not aware about its website, what would be the keyword you would be searching around for redirected to the account of multinational? It can be anything. आपको cloud computing लेना है, but what with the Google search you would be doing around? Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
you
sir.
audible.
Yes, sir.
I cannot see the chat box. The meeting has been recording around. Okay, fine. I mean, it can be anyone now. It's open for all kind of thing. That if you have to enroll for any course, what would the Google search you would be doing around? Again, we'll say I cannot read the chat box. The session is been recording.
Cloud computing course.
Any
particular
cloud computing?
course, the particular course we will search first.
What we will search around?
Cloud computing course.
Okay. So while searching cloud computing course, we would be getting so many of the links, and you can just see ad. Ad means they have provided artificial trafficking by paying such some amount to Google Ads. And this is also one method. If your SEOs are not working that much prominently, people just opt for this particular solution, that is ads, because ads provide you a top-notch level ad. People would be definitely clicking around. But let's see which are the sites who had came so much above or from all these particular sites without ad. Then it comes to be Coursera, Udemy, Medium.com, and now the question arises that how we are going to find the proper keywords regarding that. So never take this ads wale jo bhi links होते हैं, never opt for that particular part because they are quite paid. We cannot trust that whether SEO works or not. So our first keyword would be cloud computing online course from GCP and AWS. So we would be just mentioning around like as you have said cloud computing courses. And then what are the search results you have got? You would be mentioning over here. Like as we can see, we got around the top cloud computing online courses, cloud computing online courses, 5 cloud computing courses to learn in 2021. So these are your fundamental 3 secondary keywords which you are going to use. So whenever you are going to write some blogs, your title would be standing out in this manner itself. Like cloud computing online course from AWS, and then the relevant content with proper keywords. So this would be the link of the organization and the content they have been added on other websites. So this is how you are going to create such kind of SEO worksheet, which will be helping you around in consideration of your competitive analysis. Parallelly, the major keywords they have been using around in grasping and handling such kind of scenarios. So focus on title. As I have said you earlier, जो keyword आप ढूंढेंगे, that would be your title. And again a question for you all guys. As you have searched about cloud computing courses, the search can be anything else also. It's not a mandatory thing that this would be the first thing that can come into your mind. But yeah, considering that this was the first thing that pop up in each and every individual's mind, and the search result we have got around can be seen on the screen. What would be the title of any of the what we can say blog infographic, if you have thought about, if you have to create a what we can say a blog, if we have asked to create a blog in promotional blog for Mambi Academy, what would be the title? Any individual can, I mean, unmute his or himself.
Courses offered by MBA Academy.
Courses offered by MBA Academy. uh, as I have said you earlier, MBA Academy doesn't stands to be that prominent in terms of engagement. Its competition level is quite low, but you won't be getting a raise on the search column. The part is that, I mean, let's suppose if you have said about online courses itself, and let's search online courses kind of. Okay. Top 25 online courses in India, top Indian courses, 250 Indian courses, and best online courses in India. So जो आप ये meta title देख रहे हैं, or we can say the main header title of any of the website, that would be your blog title. For instance, if you have to write a blog for Multinational Business Academy, then it can be best online courses in India 2021. Then you can mention the 12 courses which we are going to provide, and in accordance to the 12 courses, in every paragraph you can embed a Multinational Business Academy link. So this is how you are going to work on or focus on the title. As I've showed you an example itself, that clickable and friendly title need to be required. And how we are going to think about a friendly and clickable title. It's simple. I mean, अगर आपने टाइटल के स्टार्टिंग में ही कोई नंबर डाल दिया, it will engage the audience more. 10 reasons to opt for Multinational Business Academy, 10 courses which you won't be finding anywhere else. Have you ever thought that AWS courses in just 150 rupees? Like, just question themselves, just be astonished, just put up some numbers, and this will help you out in getting some engagement. And why I'm telling you that, if you can see the graph itself, it shows that अगर आपने number add किया है, तो it is 36% of preference for what we can say for users who has been using this particular title. 21% of the users are willing to read that particular title, which astonish them, like and which is relevant to themselves, like where you can drink tea more delightful, like where you can build your resume, where you can build your placement opportunity and sort of things. Or we can say uh, how to titles, like um, how to enroll for AWS Academy courses at at an affordable rates, or similar to that, how to enroll for an AWS Academy courses. So these are the three title headers which I would be preferring you to use any point of time if you are going to create any kind of infographics, Quora answers, listicles, off-page SEO contents, blogs, or any sort of things. Then comes rule of images, videos, and all sort of things. I mean, it's a common illusion that if on your content there is any kind of images or any kind of videos, there is a high probability that people will wait around and look around that, okay, ये क्या इसने कंटेंट डाला है, let's see around. अगर आपने इस फेमस ब्लॉगर का नाम सुना है, नील पटेल, then you would be aware about his contents and like how he mesmerizes people with his content. Let me show you up. let's check out any of his blogs, like 15 actionable action examples of fashion marketing. So you can just see around. He has sort of added content, image, then content like Allbirds with an image, content, Warby Parker, image, content, like, and sometimes videos too. So this makes a blog more engaging, and you will be thinking around, okay, and you can see this links. Like embedding a link is quite easy. Just we need to make sure that we are focusing on multinational academy, and this is how things work. Like content, image or video, then content, and with a main title which can be engaging or which can be that proficient to get more audience or more traffic. So just look around his blogs, you would be getting more ideas on how to think about this particular part. Okay. Let's get back to our lastly and most importantly, do not shy from sharing. I have seen many users that they would be saying around, नहीं यार नहीं करते वो लोग, लाइक कभी बात ही नहीं हुई हमारी, हम अगर उनको डायरेक्टली इस काम के लिए भेजेंगे, लाइक they would be thinking around कि काम के लिए text कर रहा है and all sort of things, but it's not like that. I mean, if you have written something that can be benefited to any individual, then you can just share your blogs with your friends, with your family, without thinking about that वो like करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे, what will be they thinking around. It's like it's a community change. If they are not going to help you out, who is going to? So just think about that. Whenever you have written some kind of things, do make sure that you have connected with as many as your friends, so that they can like, or they can follow you up on Medium or HubSpot or any of the platforms. Then let's create content. And a fact says that uh, globally on what we can say, if 40,000 searches are made on Google, then 36% of the visitors uh, are being attracted with that particular sites, which says them around where number is been written, like 10 most effective manner to learn or to start learning cloud computing, or 10 effective manner to be hired, and all sort of things, 10 reasons to attain a AWS what we can say certification. So for you guys also, whenever you are uploading something on YouTube, just try to mention a number, because number will help you out to get a bit of engagement. Then comes about listicles. Um, what is listicle? Let me show you with a practical demonstration at what is listicle. Listicle is something which is quite similar to a blog, but how this blog has been written, let me show you that part. This has been written for some other organization, but definitely we are going to focus on our organization itself. So listicle is all about promoting and branding. As you can see again, it's similar to a blog, but in a list manner, like marketing tips and insights from greatest marketer of all time. So the only error over here I can see is the usage of number. If the writer would have written top 5 marketers of all time that you must follow to furnish your marketing skills, then maybe I would have thought about to read this particular article to the fullest. But yeah, as of now, the content relevancy, it's quite clear, because in italic manner that particular person has written, it's his quotes. He has introduced that particular marketing person in a prominent manner. The conclusion has been done in a skillful manner. So this chain has been accepted in a proper manner. So what you have to do, you have to make sure that whenever you visit our Multinational Business Academy website, uh, let me show you up. Just give me a second. There is a blog section. For that particular blog section, you have to write some blogs, and we will be publishing your blogs over here. But the only thing which you need to take care is a blog should have a relevance or point or a relevance value. Relevance value in accordance with जो भी आप लिखोगे for Indogulf, let me show you for Indogulf also. Um, जो भी आप लिखोगे, it should be relevant to the organization itself. It should not happen that आपने लिखा but it is totally irrelevant. Like you have been mentioning that in this pandemic time, what are the opportunities? And in the opportunities, you have not mentioned about cloud computing or any of the courses. Then it's not a fruitful thing which we can also put up in our blogs. So just do make sure that we would be providing you with 10 to 12 topics. Out of 10 12 topics, if you think that yes, I can write some good relevant topic blogs, just write it down, and we will be uploading your blogs on our Multinational Business Academy website, and this will help us out to get some kind of engagement for the same. So, and same for Indogulf. We would be. I think I have not created any blog page right now over here. Fine, but we'll definitely do that part also for Indogulf too. So just do make sure that once you are willing to be writing some kind of blogs, we will be providing you the titles or the topics. You just need to execute with relevant contents. So this was the first part which you need to make sure that is creating listicles. And if you want to see some listicles also, let me show you some different organization listicles to get all more glance. Because listicles आप third party websites पे भी कर सकते हैं. And for instance, three types you can write listicles. Uh, you can just look around 32 cool and colorful tattoos to inspire you to get in. So these are the manners which I was telling you around numbers. I mean, writing listicles, blogs, Quora is all about the game of numbers. जितना आप relevant numbers add on करोगे, जितना आपका content attractive होगा, it will definitely attract your audience for the same. So this was the first part which you need to take care. Then starting with Quora. Quora writing is all about branding, but in an indirect manner. I mean, if I share you my own contents, let me share with you. See, basically, if I let you know, is participating in 500 programming questions on LeetCode and HackerEarth is enough. So, just so the point is that I have mentioned the content, I have mentioned the relevance point with graphical representation, and then I switched my gears towards promoting an organization. I just mentioned that what are the things they have to learn, and then in the last paragraph, if you can read, I have mentioned websites which I want to promote, like Prepbytes, Udemy, and all sort of things. I mean, if someone is going to read my content, if he is willing to like take a shot whether this organization is a fruitful organization or not, he or she would be clicking the link, he would be redirected to the page, and at the end, I mean, it can happen that what we can say, if he is looking around and if he finds that relevance point is quite clear, he can enroll for the course for the same. So this is how you are going to write some contents for what we can say, Quora, where you can add contents, then graphics to create an engagement like this question. What should I prepare in software engineering interview? So I have just mentioned that programming language totally depend or rely on your skills, on your understanding. But I have also shown him that abhi jo trend mein hai, it's Python and Java. Just opt for that particular program for the same. And once I have shown him the relevant content, I have mixed up the organization names at the end in order to promote it. So in this manner itself, you have to make sure if you are writing Quora answers, so it should be that much clear to the audience that okay, I have received my answer, as well as a writer, I have promoted the brand, and at the end, I would be getting the what we can say relevant point, as well as this will help you out to understand that okay, if 6.2k was my content views, that means out of 6.2, there can be a possibility that few of them would have read towards my content and would have found relevant and would have redirected to the page which I was asking about. So same thing would be done by you guys. आप भी Quora answers लिखोगे, and there can be a possibilities अगर 10,000 is your view count, it can be a possibility that out of 10,000, 10% people would be looking around. Just what are the things you need to take care is no direct branding. The reason of no direct branding is Quora will block you around, and अगर Quora ने आपकी account ही block कर दिया, then you won't be able to write Quora again, like Quora answers again by like with your same account, with precise. So just do make sure that whatever the things you are going to mention, the mentioning should be clear. The promotional should be indirect. The minimum word which you are going to use would be 150. The title would be catchy. Good quality pictures are being required, and build a storyline. Connect. I mean, question का कोई relevance नहीं है with your career, with your stories. Though frame a story. Like 2 years back, I was not aware about a single programming. I was not aware about digital marketing होता क्या है. लेकिन फिर मुझे मल्टीनेशनल बिजनेस एकेडमी मिला, मैं वहां गया, मैंने सीखा, समझा, जाना, एंड देखिए मैं आज कहाँ हूँ. I mean, this thing is about bluff, and storytelling is something which should be relevant. I mean, right now I've just made something cringe statement which should not be taken in consideration. But storytelling should be in this manner itself, but in an indirect manner, to be precise. Just they make sure that Quora and listicles are the two ways. Then comes press release, PR. PR is quite popular in shooting any kind of events, products, and services. Right now we have an event on 4th. For that, PR can help us out to get some reaches also. How this is going to happen? Let me show you that part. Press release. I guess I have some. There are websites like IssueWire, or there are websites like Copywriter, Briefly, Sync, then many PR wings, जहाँ पे आप प्रेस रिलीज शूट कर सकते हो. उस प्रेस रिलीज में it's just, and let me clear, it's not like blog, because blog में you can add up photos after the content, but in press release your photos would be revolving in this manner. यहाँ पे वो show होते रहेंगे. So you can add over in this particular slider 4 or the 5 posters which we have created. The content why we need to be a part of this program, writers के नाम mention कर सकते हो, and lastly LinkedIn account, website, Gmail account और organization का नाम. So this will help you out to grow, and in accordance to grow, this will help you out in getting some traffic. आपको अगर content में issue हो रहा है तो आप जाके हमारे LinkedIn पे जो भी captions हम use कर रहे हैं उसे भी as a listicle use कर सकते हो. It's that simple. And being a social media marketer, आपको listicles का knowledge होना जरूरी है. And this is how listicle works. And this is the third method. Sorry, this is how press release works, and this is the third method after listicles, Quora, and press release for off-page SEO. Then comes, and yeah, do make sure the content should be of about 250 words minimum. Then comes Pinterest. Pinterest is a platform which I used to use in a prominent manner. मुझे अगर कभी भी कुछ designing करना होता है, Pinterest is my only solution, because Pinterest provides you with so much of relevant content. I mean, we'll definitely suggest you guys, अगर आप Pinterest पे नहीं हो तो you can create a ID right now itself, because Pinterest is a software or a platform where it will help you around in getting engagement, in getting new ideas, that too in a creative manner. And there are many top Pinterest writers and engagers who have been sharing their works on this particular platform. If I share you some of the examples, so these are something which has been created by one of my friends, like top copywriters who makes the most money. So I just mentioned the 4 copywriters, and similar you can create the copyrights by yourself. You just need to create an account. You just need to click around. Not now. And once you have been redirected to your page, you can just click on edit, and over here you can add the website link of Multinational Business Academy and invite a collaborator. Then let's get started. Okay, suppose this is the content for cloud computing aspect.
So you can any point of time you can just think if you want to edit it, you would click on edit option or create pin. In this pen you can upload. I mean, right now we are focusing on the events which we are going to schedule on 4th. Let me see if I have the posters right now with me. Yeah, so you can just add up the posters and 4 reasons to build your resume stronger than other, kind of thing. And then you can add the relevant content. Number one, certification. uh, फिर कुछ content लिखेंगे आप. Then you can mention topics which are covered as a topic. Uh, 4 most high programming language.
For most demanded also.
Yeah, 4 most demanding uh, courses or topic. And then in this particular you can just cover like the top demanding topics which have been mentioned by us. You can mention that part and you can explain them that why this type of things need to be done, kind of thing. And if you want to add more cell, you just need to click on this plus sign. जितना आपको add करना है, you can unlimited. And any point of time नहीं यार ज़्यादा हो गया, there is an option of delete, 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 delete. I mean, in this sense, you can just create your uh, pin interest and you can just save. And people who has been roaming around can see your content any point of time. And if they think that yes, I should be part of it, websites link डालना ना भूलें, तभी वो redirect होंगे website पे and they would be getting a proper glance that okay, यहाँ से मुझे सारे relevant contents मिलेंगे. And आप अपने content में भी इस चीज को डाल सकते हैं, like add a destination link. So my destination link is Multinational Business Academy. And just save. I mean, as of now, I've just done in such a manner, but आपको तो बहुत clearly सब कुछ understandable manner में लिखना होगा. So this is how Pinterest has been created and one more part of off-page SEO. Then comes infographics. Infographics is all about usage of platforms which have been working around. Infographics are the mean how you are going to attract more audience, because if you can see this particular poster of Game of Thrones, how a chain has been mentioned that Jon Snow is being the most popular. Then comes, I mean, if you have seen this particular series, then you would be aware about all the character, that is Gendry, then Stark, and all sort of character which has been mentioned over here. So on the basis of popularity level, this chart has been created, and same you can create some kind of engaging content like a chart which has been mentioning that out of 4 courses जो हम provide कर रहे हैं, कौन top notch पे है, जो सबसे top पे है उसका bubble would be more bigger, जो सबसे कम पे it would be getting a share of bit low. Similar content can be created that why cloud computing itself, why not other program. Similar content can be created by machine learning, why not other program. And then the question arises, मैंने infographics तो बना दिया, but where I'm going to upload this infographics? Then again, there are many third-party softwares which you can upload your infographics, whereas as well as on our social media handles, you can upload the infographics. But let me share you the websites. That is number one, visual.li is the number one platform for infographics uploading. Reddit is one of the platform. Flickr is one of the platform. And the best part about this particular platforms are, अगर बहुत लोग आपकी चीजों को चेकआउट कर रहे हैं, बहुत लोग आपके कंटेंट्स को डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, देख रहे हैं, देयर कैन बी अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट फ्लिकर प्रोवाइड यू सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अमाउंट, आप हमारे लिए और ऐसे कंटेंट्स बनाइए एंड वी वुड बी पेइंग यू. So this can be turn out to be a freelancing opportunity also for you guys if you are uploading your content. So similarly, you have to create contents for Multinational Business Academy, and you have to upload all your contents on this website as a third party websites, and over here you would mention all your details and embed this visual में आपका multinational का link जाएगा. So this is how infographics can be created, infographics can be uploaded, and infographics can help you to earn some sort of money. From it starts from $2 and it ends with $20. So I mean, it's not a bad deal to earn like doing freelancing if you have a talent of infographics. मैं खुद infographics create करता हूँ for different organization, and to be honest, you are been getting paid a good amount. आपको like ये सारी websites को अभी से ही use करना शुरू कर देना चाहिए if you have a good sort of talent in any of the domain, blogs, in any of the domain of infographics, video editing आता है और कुछ भी. I mean CRM के बारे में जानते हो, so it's a high time to use this particular platforms. And this was the end of yeah, I mean more is PPT. PPT is all about uh, programming languages which we are offering, like 5 reasons to get AWS certification, 5 reasons to opt cloud computing, and the last slide would be totally promotional or branding, that कहाँ से करोगे आप ये cloud computing, machine learning or data analytics or some similar courses. Once you have created such PPT, SlideShare is one of the prominently used platform where you can upload your content, and people will be definitely roaming around and looking around. Okay, let me check कि क्या है, and they can just see that okay, these are the content, and just do make sure that you are uploading your content on SlideShare for the same. So this is one of the method of off-page SEO. And lastly, yeah, like this was the parts which off-page SEO covers, and you just need to remember the keywords, the link you need to embed, the parts which you need to take care, and these are the 4 things which you need to like 6 things to be precise, which in future you are going to do in terms of off-page SEO. So anyone has any doubts regarding the off-page SEO concepts, like कैसे करेंगे, कहाँ से करेंगे, कैसे start करना है, and all sort of things. Anyone?
Yes, sir. From like, what would be the best tool for starting? You have talked about. I forgot the name. Oh, with image and information, what we call that?
Mailchimp.
No, sir. Like we have to create a like. I'm not getting the name, sir. वो आपने बताया था ना, जो इमेज के साथ वो और इंफॉर्मेशन भी होती है. Infographics, yeah. तो हम infographics से start करें या blog writing, what would be the best?
See, at any point of time, everything needs to start. आप कुछ भी start करो, it's totally depending upon your motivation. Because जब मैंने खुद ने start किया था with creating infographics, I was not getting a good engagement, to be honest, and it took me alone 3 months to get paid. So it's totally depending upon your patience level and skill set. जितना आप कर सकते हो उतना आपके लिए relevant point होगा. Because if someday if मेरे पास मेरे drives रहेंगे, तो I can just show you that when I started my career with off-page SEO, then I just like मेरे जब starting हुआ था तो I have mentioned around 63 blogs के बाद मुझे कुछ sum ups मिले थे, कुछ responses मिले थे. I created around what we can say more than 30 plus infographics, तब जाके मुझे थोड़ा engagement मिला था. तो it would be like as you can see 57 Quora questions लिखने के बाद I got some kind of engagement. So it would be totally depending upon your skill sets and your patience level. I would be suggesting आप शुरुआत तो सबसे करो, कौन सा आपको सबसे relevant लगता है, just track your performance and at the end you would be like आपको खुद पता चल जाएगा कि which is the prominent thing and फिर उसी एक चीज को लेके आप focus करते रहिए. Have I answered your question?
Yes, sir. So we'll be
And don't worry.
yeah, sir.
जी जी. Yeah, बोलो.
Yes, so we'll be getting this PPT.
I cannot assure you about the PPT, but I can assure you मैं सारे links भेज दूंगा कहाँ पे आप infographics upload कर सकते हो, blogs
Yeah,
upload
sir.
कर सकते हो.
That would be
हाँ.
great, sir.
Yeah, because PPT is something that मुझे permissions लेने पड़ते हैं, that's why. But okay, मैं ये सारे links आपको share कर दूंगा, don't worry about that. So yeah, considering that part, is everyone clear about this particular part? SEO, off-page SEO.
Yes.
Yes.
And how can you create actually infographics? Like, what is the best tool?
Uh, See, at the end, if you are a beginner, start with Canva. Once you have, if you think that okay, I am prominent enough on this particular platform, then jump to Illustrator or PSD or some sort of Corel Draw. Because if I tell you my own example, I prominently use Corel Draw for my graphics, and when I started my career, I also started with Canva. So it's not like that अगर आप Canva से start कर रहे हो, so आपको engagement नहीं मिलेगा. Canva में भी अगर आप जो product या templates आपको मिल रहे हो, उसे आप completely change कर दो. So it's like something which has been defined and created by you itself. So start your career with that. फिर बाद में scratch शुरू कीजिए using Corel, Illustrator or PSD, and then it's an easy going task for you guys in the domain of any of the off page concepts which I have talked about. Clear?
Yes.
Perfect. There are three more concepts, that is white hat SEO, then on page SEO. But I guess we have a time constraint. मैं इस चीज को 2 to 3 hours तक नहीं खींच सकता. So considering that we are stopping our session with off page SEO, अगर आपको ऑफ पेज एसईओ में कोई भी डाउट है, आई एम स्टिल हियर फॉर 5 minutes because we have a small Q&A session and we can wrap up this particular thing to check whether you all have got a proper glance. But yeah, as of now, you can just think about अगर आपके कोई doubts है regarding off page SEO, you can just pitch me around, or else I can just start with questioning you guys that what you have understood in this particular concept. So let's get started with all the aspirants which I have with me right now. Uh, just let me have a check to it. Okay. Starting with Ketan. Ketan, 5 platforms for off-page SEO.
Okay, so yeah, like Pinterest,
Hmm.
Keyword Planner,
Hmm.
press release,
Ji?
and SlideShare, Reddit.
Slideshare. Reddit.
Oh, so that's all I remember.
It's totally fine. I mean, there are many other Quora, then
Yeah,
IssueWire.
yes, yeah.
So it's fine. Cool. Good job.
Okay.
Yeah. 5. Okay, this question is for Ananya. 5 types of SEOs. I mean, off-page SEO को run करने के लिए, what are the aspects which you need to cover? I mean, 5 ways to build your own, what we can say, off-page SEOs, content-wise. Am I audible to all? Hello.
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes,
uh,
sir.
yeah, Ananya, sorry, again with you. The five contents, I mean, the which we can create you like for building SEO. I mean, पांच ऐसी चीजें जो आप कर सकती है for SEO. I mean, is Ananya there in the meeting? First thing first.
She's there, sir. I think she might be having some mic issues. The mic is
Okay,
also on.
fine. So let's get this question to Lakshya. Five ऐसी चीजें जो आप कर सकते हो for building SEO, Lakshya. Is Lakshya present in the meet also?
Yes, he's here.
I don't know why. Okay, fine. I guess he's also facing some difficulties. Uh, then same question for Monica Khanwani.
So we can work on our keywords, like what kind of titles we are using to improve our SEO, and we can use the numbers specifically to boost our topic and
No, no, no,
level
no.
at
I mean,
SEO.
okay. Actually, these are the aspects. I mean, ये चीज ध्यान consideration में लेना है. I'm asking you that if you have to start, I mean, कहीं पे आपको अपना SEO publish करना है to build SEO. So what are the, I mean, five ways? I mean, for instance, blog is the fun way of creating a hype towards your websites. वैसे और five ways क्या है? What you can do for SEO?
Blogs, and also we can for SEO we can when we upload our YouTube channel, in that we can add links and sites, link of sites which we want to promote. Then if we doing like Quora, if we are
Hmm.
writing answers on Quora, there we can also promote our websites and channels. Yeah.
Okay, the Quora is perfect. Blogs, I have said you earlier. Apart from blogs, Quora, there are many other ways now. And YouTube is not a way of SEO.
May I?
Yeah, yeah, sure. Please introduce
Uh,
yourself and you may proceed.
Hi, this is Satik.
Sakit,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. Infographics,
Yes,
videos, like
perfect.
any sort of external link to the article or any post,
Hmm.
and reviews or comments.
How reviews and comment can help you in SEO?
That like one post upon posting any article, any comments give or feedback, so creates more engagement. Then other can follow that.
Okay, means on someone blog, you are going to comment something of our content, if of
Mhm,
multinational.
mhm,
Okay. Uh, very well tried, but there is a constraint of this particular part. See, अगर मैंने एक blog लिखा है for some other organization and आप आ रहे हो, आप अपने organization को मेरे ही blog पे promote कर रहे हो, तो I can spam you and report you that you are spoiling my blog in accordance with submitting some other organization links, because मेरा motive कुछ और था and आपने वो motive change कर दिया, so it can happen
mhm,
that the organization can block you and आपका ID भी suspend हो सकता है. So this can be done जब तक आप block नहीं होते हो, but we
mhm.
should avoid such kind of things in accordance with खुद का content लिखो and अपने ही content में जितना उसको brand करना है you can do the same. So
Yeah.
yeah.
Like for example, Yelp review or any sort of review, OYO review, that sort of thing, review or any or testimonial type of thing, that in line with the blog or the post.
Yeah, I mean, you can just pitch around listicles or PR, press release. Proper word for that, actually.
Is it clear? Something.
Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for clearing it up.
So we are into the end of this particular session, and lastly, if you have any kind of doubts in any of the session, just let me know, because we'll make sure that in future, if you are applying this SEO part, well, it can be done, that you have to work on this part. So I will be providing you the links, and if you have any doubt, you can definitely connect with me for the same. So this was the end of the off-page SEO, guys. And apart from that, you may put up your questions, and we can end the session. Thank you.